Here are 4 super trending yet easy and delicious chicken recipes that you can enjoy as dinner or snack food. Each recipe is simple and flavorful. Number 1, salt and pepper chicken wings. Ingredients: 2 pounds chicken wings, 2 teaspoons salt, 1 teaspoon black pepper, 1 onion, minced, 1 inch ginger, minced, 4 garlic cloves, minced, 2 tablespoons cornstarch, cooking oil. Instructions: 1 in a bowl, combine salt, pepper, minced onion, ginger, and garlic. Mix well. 2. Add the chicken wings to the bowl and marinate for 10 minutes. 3. After marinating, sprinkle cornstarch over the wings, mixed with 2 eggs. Toss to coat evenly. 4. In a frying pan, heat oil over low heat and fry the chicken wings slowly until golden brown and crispy. 5. Once cooked, sprinkle with sesame to taste. Serve hot and enjoy the fragrant aroma. Number 2, crispy fried chicken wings. Ingredients: 2 pounds chicken wings, 2 tablespoons cooking wine, 5 tablespoons cornstarch, 1 tablespoon sesame seeds, a salt and pepper, cooking oil. Instructions: 1. In a bowl, add chicken wings. Mix well to coat the wings evenly. 2. Heat oil in a frying pan over medium heat. Light fry the chicken wings until they are beautifully browned and cooked through, about 10 to 12 minutes, turning occasionally. 4. Once cooked, remove wings from oil and drain on paper towels. Sprinkle with salt, pepper, and sesame seeds before serving. Number 3, garlic, scallion, and onion chicken wings. Ingredients: 2 pounds chicken wings, scallions and ginger chopped. 1. Place the chicken wings in a pot and cover with cold water. Add minced garlic, chopped scallions, and ginger. Sway, bring to a boil. Then reduce heat and simmer until the wings are cooked through. 3. Remove the wings and pat dry. Heat oil in a pan and fry the wings until golden brown on both sides. 4. Season with salt and serve hot. The fragrant scallion, garlic, and ginger aroma will make this dish a hit. And number 4, homemade crispy chicken tenderloins. Start with 2 pounds of chicken breast. Cut into finger-length strips. Step 2, marinade. Add onion, ginger, half a teaspoon of salt, pepper, light soy sauce, and a dash of oyster sauce or your favorite sauce. Mix well and marinate for 10 minutes. Step 3, batter. In a bowl, mix 2 egg yolks, chopped scallions, and a bag of crispy powder with enough water to make a batter. Coat the marinated chicken strips in the batter, ensuring each piece is well covered. Step 5, frying. Heat oil to 50% hot. Then fry the chicken on medium heat until golden and crispy. Serve your crispy, yummy chicken tenderloins hot. Happy cooking and dining.